Hey y'all, it is I, JayCIngram, and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impression / review with the Play and Makeup by YALL X BeatsByDeb palette. This palette is literally everything. I'm about to show y'all right now. As y'all can see on my eyes, y'all, it's everything. Period. Before we actually get into the video, y'all, of course, subscribe to my channel. Girl, give this video a big thumbs up, girl. Hit the bell notification to be notified for all my future videos. Girl, I'm trying to hit 3K before this year is over with. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna make it, but if we do, I'm trying to hit that. Also, congratulations to Deb. Thank you so much for reaching out to me, homegirl, and sending this palette to me. I would never thought that you would want send this palette to me, girl, but here we are, girl. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I'm literally so happy and grateful for you doing that, and thank you so much for Play and Makeup by YALL for sending this over so fast. I got this literally so fast. In this video, y'all will see that in the same day. This is going uploading later tonight. But thank you so much again, Deb. I'm literally so proud of you, girl. Since the first moment that we even got in contact with each other, girl, at Walmart, girl, you and your niece faces beat, girl, and I was there sweating and working. But thank you so much again, and I'm super proud of you, girl. I just ordered some BeatsByDeb's cosmetics, so best believe when I get those in, it's about to be this palette with her line, and everything like that, and it's about to be really cute. So yeah, y'all, with all that being said, y'all, if at any point in this video you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me, if you guys enjoy BeatsByDeb or Play and Makeup by YALL, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just get into this video. Okay, guys, so I am taking the Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm taking that on my eyes. It's mostly because it's around my skin tone, and then the product that I'm going in after that, which is the Dry Cosmetics Silk Canvas, not Silk Canvas, but Clean Canvas. That is actually like too light. So that's why I'm mixing it in with a concealer around my skin tone, just to make it like kind of even. And the base like just makes it really good. Like this concealer, this Clean Canvas concealer by Dry Cosmetics is really good as an eyeshadow base as well, y'all. So definitely like, it's really good. Y'all should definitely pick this up. Okay, you guys, so I'm taking that deep purple right there. It is called Summer Nights. Y'all see this pigment, girl. This is a really good deep purple. I've been looking for a deep purple like this for a very long time. Not everybody that comes out with palettes, girl, not all the time they have deep purples like this, girl. They only come once in a while, I would say. Next, I'm taking that pinkish purple shade called Frieza. Okay, period. I noticed a lot of DBZ character names in this palette, girl. We love a anime fan in this house. But I'm taking that shade Frieza, and I'm just using that to buff and blend out that purple, just to make sure it's a nice, easy, seamless blend all together, girl. Now I'm going to be taking that bright neon orange called Juicy. This is literally the perfect name for the shade, y'all. This shade is literally so pretty, so pigmented. I would say it reminds me of the neon orange in James's palette, but even more pigmented. Like, it's just really crazy. Like, it's, y'all see that, like, this whole palette is just everything. Okay, guys, so now I'm taking that Clean Canvas concealer base again, and I'm going to be using that to start my cut crease. I'm using a paintbrush. I learned this trick from Kiki Adams to like flatten your like brushes and stuff, and like use a paintbrush for like a nice clean cut. So that's what I'm pretty much using, and then I was just, just spreading that across my entire lid pretty much, of course. And this base is so good, y'all. This technique of doing your cut crease is really good. I suggest you try it. Definitely get a paintbrush and use some lash glue to flatten that shit out, because it definitely worked for me, and that's how I get my clean cuts for my cut creases. Now I'm just taking that Summer Night shade and the Juicy shade, and I'm just putting those on the outer corners of the cut crease, just so everything is cohesive and everything is looking good pretty much, y'all, as y'all can see on my other eye. Also, I'm using the shade Golden Hour, which is that bright pigmented ass yellow up in here. And I am using that to pack on my lid, and I'm just lining it, of course, with a black liner. But of course, I'm just going to speed pass all through this so y'all can just see what I'm doing. Okay, you guys, now that I have done my eyeshadow portion, I'm still not done with my eyes yet, but I'm gonna come back to, like, you know, finish the rest of my eyes. I'm about to get started on my base now, and I'm taking a little bit of the e.l.f. putty primer, the matte one, and I am going to just prime my face. Y'all, to not prime is a crime. You're supposed to always prime. You're supposed to always have that barrier between your skin and your makeup, and that's what primer is for. It's a lot of people that don't use primer, girl. That's because of them. They can do whatever the fuck they want to do, but girl, we wear primer over here. I was thinking about adding a little Farsali liquid blur to the rest of my skin. This is like their, I don't know. No, this is their liquid powder, not liquid blur. And I was just gonna add that to the rest of my skin. I wanna say a quick thank you to Deb. Thank you so much, Deb. My girl Deborah, period. This palette is amazing. I've used this, you know, just used a certain amount of colors, but there's literally everything, like every kind of color in here that you can use. Just look at that. Like, my lights kind of wash it out a little bit, but it's literally more vibrant in person. I can't wait to do a neutral look with this after that. I think I'm gonna, cause today, of course I had to do a color look, duh, it's a color palette, but I'm doing a neutral look my next video using this palette, and baby, I know this is about to eat. And now that I have that, I'm going to just set my primer. I'm using the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder to set this primer. Y'all, we got a little friend right here, but girl, I woke up, I was like, what? I woke up like, what the fuck? Like, girl, this, you gotta go, okay? I'm about to be taking the Anastasia foundations. I like to mix these, so I'm about to just be painting this on. I shook it up too, girl, because I haven't used this in a minute. So I shook it up too. Okay, y'all, so I pretty much just did my whole face. Y'all sat through that little time lapse. I took the Amrezy highlighter, highlighted my face, period. And I'm taking the Fenty Diamond Balm. And I like to just take that on a big taper brush and just put that right here. Like the pink one is really pretty as well. It's a drier formula, but it's really pretty, just as much as the other one. Girl, that pimple is highlighted. Y'all see that? Y'all can see that. That pimple is highlighted, y'all. Okay, guys, so I'm about to take those same colors that I put on my eyes and sweep them underneath. Y'all, I'm about to go pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back to finish my lip. Y'all, I was literally struggling to put these lashes on. It's not the lashes fault or the palette's fault. It's more of my fault because I have watery eyes, girl. So these are the BeatsByDeb lashes in the style Gemini. You can use my code JHeart for money off. It's 10% off, but yes, these lashes actually set the mood for this palette. Like, it really did. Gorgeous. So I'm about to take my lash tweezers and I'm about to just pinch my real lashes to my falsies. Okay, y'all, so now let's move on to lips. If y'all would like to see a video of me showing you guys my perfect new lips for medium to deep skin tones, then hit the eye right up here. But this is gorgeous. About to pop a little gloss. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go change and I'll be right back. Hey, you guys, I'm back and I changed. Girl, all I did was throw on my denim jacket and called it a day and put on my chain. So, my final thoughts on the palette. It is a really, really good palette, I would say. It is way more pigmented than I anticipated. Like, it is really, really cute. The shade names are everything. I didn't do swatches simply because, girl, I don't really trust swatches, girl. It's all about the performance on your eye. I'm not about to do no swatches. Girl, I might swatch the shimmers, that's about it. But it is really, really cute, girl. Of course, you got your browns, girl. You got your oranges, your pinks, girl. You got all the colors that you even need, girl. Neutrals. The next look that I'm doing is a neutral look with this palette, girl, or a pink or purple look. All pink or purple look. I don't know. The pinks and purples went out really, really well. And the orange on top of that as well, because I just threw on an orange. And this yellow is amazing. As y'all can see, it is really, really good. So yeah. And I popped the green in my inner corner. It kind of faded because my eyes were watering. So I had to literally stop my eyes from watering. So yeah. Other than that, y'all, I have no complaints about this palette. This palette is literally amazing. It is literally everything that you need in a palette. And congratulations to Deb again for collaborating and making this palette your own. And girl, this is just amazing. You know, who would have thought, girl, a year ago, the girl I seen at Walmart with her niece and faces beat to the guys, girl, while I'm there working, sweating and stuff, would have came out with a palette, girl. I love you. Thank you so much for even giving me a chance and reaching out to me and sending me this palette again. So yeah, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave. And with all that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.